In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently upload files such as PDFs, MP4s, and JPGs onto your Shopify store. This process is quite straightforward and is a great way to enhance your store's content and functionality by providing access to various files directly from your online storefront. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Files section within your Shopify admin panel. Begin by logging into your Shopify account, where you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, look for the Content section situated on the left-hand menu. Under Content, you'll find the Files option. This is your primary destination for managing the files you wish to store and make accessible through your Shopify store. Once you're in the Files section, you'll see an option labeled Upload Files. Clicking this button will open up a window that allows you to choose files directly from your computer. It's essential to remember that you can select up to 20 files at a time, so if you have a batch of images, documents, or videos you want available, this tool is your friend. Simply select the files you intend to upload and click Open to begin the upload process. After you click Open, your selected files will start uploading, and you should see them appear in the list of files in the Files section once the upload is complete. This step gives you a visual confirmation that your files are now successfully stored within your Shopify system. Next, one of the most useful features is that each uploaded file comes with its own unique URL. This URL is what you'll use if you want to link directly to the file from anywhere on your Shopify store, whether it be via a product description, a blog post, or even a marketing email. To get this URL, simply look for the link icon situated next to each uploaded file. Clicking it will automatically copy the file's URL to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever needed. And that's it. You now have the knowledge to upload various types of files to your Shopify store, making them readily accessible to your audience. Remember, this ability to share files can enhance your customers' experience by providing them with relevant information, high-quality images, or engaging videos directly from your website. If you find yourself needing to organize or manage the files further, don't hesitate to explore more of Shopify's tools and resources that are designed to ease your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy uploading!